up, everybody? Welcome back to Slay Sunday Spooky Edition. So this is my look that I did last night for my actual Halloween plans. So I wanted to give Shego because she's iconic and she was the baddest bitch, truly. So for this look, I went in with my Beauty Bay Earthy palette because so many greens. So I figured had to use it for this palette. I was trying to figure out exactly how I wanted to go about my look because, you know, I don't really think my looks in advance. I just kind of play it by ear. But so I'm starting out with those two. I know I mixed two shades, those two right there. I'm starting out with those and I am using that as my transition shade. And next I'm going in with that more kind of forest green shade, and I am taking my e.l.f. crease brush and I am applying that shade to my crease to add some depth and definition. And I'm just adding that same forest green shade, applying that to my lower lash line. And next I'm taking that true green shade in the palette and I am applying that with my packer brush all over my lid. And I was wanting to add some more depth to my look. I wanted to deepen it up a little bit more. So I'm going in with that really deep green shade in the palette and applying that over the forest green just to provide some more depth to my eye look because it was looking a little bit flatter, I guess, than I wanted it to. And now I am taking my Bperfect Carnaval 4 palette, the Antidote palette, because I knew I wanted to use that really bright green in the palette, kind of neonish, yellowish green, because honestly, that's a little bit more true, I feel like, to Shego's color. But my costume was on the deeper side, so I needed to make sure my look matched the costume. But I wanted to apply that yellowy green shade in my inner corner, and I was happy with that decision. right, and I went ahead and applied my eyeliner and mascara off camera as well as my lip. I went in with my Wet n Wild Liquid Cat Suit. I haven't used that in a long time, okay? But here we are. Here's the finished look. I was really happy with how my Shego turned out. I didn't feel like putting on my other glove because I couldn't operate my camera with it. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this concludes our Slay Sunday spooky edition, okay? I was really happy with the looks that I did this month. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be back to some regular looks next week. All right, bye you guys.